Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is an easy and yummy recipe. It's a chili chicken. It can be had along with noodles, fried rice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Now let's begin. For the chili chicken, you'll need half kilo chicken, boneless or with bone. This I've used a boneless chicken. You'll need to marinate it with tomato sauce, around 3 tablespoons, soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. Here I've used dark soya sauce. If it's light, you can put 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Green chili sauce, 2 tablespoons. Garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. You can add more if you like it more spicy. You need to mix well and marinate for around 20 minutes. Marination helps the chicken to cook faster. After about 20 minutes of marination, you need to pour half cup of water. Just mix the chicken well. You will need to cover and cook the chicken for around 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. When the chicken is getting cooked, let's make a corn flour mixture. 1 tablespoon of corn flour mixture with half cup of water. You need to make it a lump-free mixture and keep aside. Now we need some vegetables to make a saute. Onions, 1 onion cut into cubes, capsicum and green chilies. In a pan, add some oil, around 3 tablespoons of oil for the saute. Once the oil has become hot, you will need to saute the cut vegetables, the onions, the capsicum and the slit green chilies on a high flame. Sauteing the vegetables on high flame helps to retain the crispness of the vegetables. You'll need to saute the vegetables for about 2 minutes on a high flame. And now let's add in the corn flour mixture to the sauteed vegetables and cook for about a minute on a high flame. Now let's add in the cooked chicken to the sauteed vegetables. And you'll need to cook the chicken for 5 to 8 minutes on a high flame till you get a saucy consistency. Your yummy and saucy chili chicken is ready to be served with fried rice or noodles. Garnish it with chopped spring onions. If you like my recipe, please post your feedback in the comment section below. Please do subscribe to my channel and do come back for more recipes. Thank you.